Hey everybody, Justin Phillips here with your market update for May. Obviously, you guys can read the stats below. There is a lot of opportunity in this market for buyers and sellers. I know interest rates aren't fantastic. We're talking about how awesome it is that they went down to 7 this week. So there's been some adjustment there. But buyers are getting awesome deals. And for you sellers out there, there's actually you're getting more. We're still appreciating here in Colorado. I think we were named one of the hottest markets in the country. So you're still getting more than you had paid for the house if you bought it more than 2 years ago. And even in some instances, more than you bought it 2 years ago at the height of the market. So definitely a lot of opportunity for sellers. Buyers are going to really reap the benefit if you can just afford the payment for a little while. Hopefully, you can refinance in the future and find that house for less than you thought it would be. And just so much opportunity out there. So I'm really excited about that. Obviously, you guys can look at the stats below and see that there's more inventory on the market. There's a lot more to choose from, which is awesome. And there's some houses, days on market is kind of adjusting up and down. It's fluctuating a little bit, but you can see if there's some really solid houses on the market that have been sitting for a little while that you might be able to get a deal on. And there's really nothing wrong with the house. They just priced it too high to start with. For the sellers out there that are thinking about selling, as long as you price it correctly, there's still some bidding wars out there happening. So, a lot of opportunity. Reach out to me so that I can help you guys with any real estate questions or whatever. I've got a lot of tools at my disposal to kind of help you guys through the process and make you comfortable with that purchase or that sale and move you to the next chapter in your life. Speaking of chapters, big, huge congratulations to my daughter, Liz, who just graduated high school at Columbine. She's going to end up going to Oregon State. So I get to take a nice road trip out there in the fall to move her into her new dorm. So that's very exciting. Got both the kids home for the summer, so we're adjusting to that. And then next year we'll be empty nesters. So if you're like me and you're going to do that and you want to maybe downsize or something like that, definitely reach out. But hopefully, you guys enjoy these market updates. Hopefully, things are going well in your world. You guys have a fantastic summer. I am heading in a couple weeks to Vegas for nationals. I am the captain of our national squad, and we have 7 teams, 35 people this year. I think we're going to have 50 people next year. So wish us good luck. We're going to bowl our butts off and hopefully do some high scores. And I will talk to you guys later. Take care.